person mo fa nyansa kwan so na chesa bring ya bra no nyina no omunye omoho kai say social media handles nyina na attention tv into babo more than so like wa share wa comment no subscribe to our YouTube channel no so a day account and then no so phobia your friend no Akwa Isaac and then wa babonten eba be pro ni mu e dia fa all court suma no owom na abro so wo all court mu nyama na ekoso wo all court mu pa na nda we free mu no so mo bibiara futuo se onipa no epese okọ all court mu obema na akọ de biara da na mbo na wofo no fa wona entintim ho no mbo mpa ye fa ma womba because ne sem okan na mu ye hu ye papa na utunu hu se enye nyame sa na owo ne so ana so frɛ wo ne so anka by this time ne pa de aka na ma me an wo ne pa de anka wa ye body pan wo biasi mu ena anka onam na bra nsem ne beton bonten so all training sem mu e wo Kingdom FM a tre yanka se papa e fifi prat no say e no training sem mu
for current situation entry check akana yebeba so the olden days na mesro Akwa Isaac na den pa na no ya ne no hu because I say now we join all court.
Yeah.
Now we mo pa.
Yeah.
Now we ye penifo de bi.
Yeah. Adia makum. I've spent more than 10 years of my life doing those things.
And then I do remu. I hustling and I say
anyonko some, you know, there you see nkra boni adwuma no. Nema miensa na de nkrofo remu. One, money and as a wealth. Two, the quest for fame. And three, power. And I say like that sense of authority that people share. So anyonko for and I say anyonko bi amede me hokọ ball mo and ankola brem nyina na me na mfo nyina ye mpanyifo. Enti no ekoba ne say I was easily, you know, poached into it. The other time I said, say you can't join an occult. Occult must join you. You don't have the ability to join any occultic group unless it is not a serious secret society. Any secret society be a serious, a powerful being, they will join you. And you know, I was actually called into it. Na me be ra friend say me be ra SS mu those days. Na
you obi owo mu dada no frɛ obe mu ana.
Obi owo mu dada.
Okay.
Obi owo mu dada.
Okay.
Grandfather.
Okay. Na che say nya ade wo mo nam no mu pochi go.
Debi. Yeah, who be no say or share occultic ring or occultic atar no money they are not part of any occultic serious society group bia. There is no occultic group that you can join. Any occultic serious occultic group bia they must join you. Because, you know, Bonsama creative system very well say or very powerful HR system, human resource system. And say, you know, Bonsam ne kingdom no I am marry until now recruitment at Bonsamu nyina is based on agenda. Until more contract services. Until be your Bonsam you may be your person or in a particular area and as ubi abrabumu and we recruiting crowd for not the more orchestrated that agenda. Until now, any member or joining any secret society, you are just on contract basis. You are not actually on that level. And you know, these occultic things, you know, so there are a lot of levels in it that, you know, you would have to climb into. And you know, bebre na agro keke no mudi bebre na agro. They have not
Semi Jidia, let's just say obi bia metis workers or joining a secret society bia no let's say monsam nyoma.
It has an origin. You see, it has an origin. You can say secret society and I say secret kingdom a kubi or modio mu see our mo bibi or mo practice or more courts near practices or more or more practice to identify themselves. And you know, I mean, there are many kinds of Freemason or Illuminatis, or your friend is saying the god of Lilith. Say, ma die bi about Ghana. Ma baby ma wo dey any idea ekoshishem. Yes, there's a female court system now in Ghana. I don't want to mention the name on radio so that people can have access to those things. But there's a working female court group in Ghana. A ma and a TSAQ nano. I mean, and it's backed by a spirit, and I said, demon be a friend in Lilith. I am more powerful.
Your friend is a Lilith?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am more fame and power to dominate. But you see, I we have the right to educate people on the real sense of occultism. You know, people think say maybe it's a group that when you enter you become successful, and that is the mid mind, and I said that is the market of selling into the public.
But
domain.
you do become.
You see, it is an exchange for something. You know, we won't mean call say, okay, that is not how it works. You enter, you are given assignments to operate on, you function in certain jurisdictions, and based on your qualification, your seriousness in that duty, then the demon begin to expose you to intangible wealth in the realm of the spirits. In the any counseling any it's not welfare in the realm of the spirits. Into the issue about wealth coming for money and all those things, transit. You cannot transit it into the next world. Into Bronson, what is destiny is one of the greatest transactions we into be biara or those life move to seek power and fame. Top Benz buy the best Benz now. In the next 3 years, it becomes nothing. Buy the biggest mansion now. In the next 5 years, it becomes nothing. Into the normal bon some intangible assets in exchange for your destiny, and most especially destinies near the Tony into the idea obi womu also na metia me catch seja also kubuza papa. I'm here, I'm telling you, there's nothing in it. We've been a force to reckon in the dark world. As a matter of fact, me diankasa nkofo di nim me o madina kra na frame cemetery. I've slept in the cemetery to do a lot of things. At me kwa Achimota school, omo ni mo Achimota na frame terror. Fitting kola birimu nyina no. Just say everything about me was under serious manipulation until you better your brabo no who say no. You don't pemper so was your man so free.
Okotuna na wo mo na rank better now.
You see, I was make say those days Achimodano in those enclave na omo tenasia na say grandmaster net tenasia met tenane right. You see, I was performing on realms. Very demonic agenda. Agenda. You see, and it's so pathetic. I am a bomb pie man crofoma say the way and crofo and I'm kruma a recruiting young boys ni youth no dio muras and my bonny in it's so sad. Na me bomb pie ma menu ya mutie no I am mom pie ma mano. I want nanti emnyo munyonko famune ni omo ye ukrumu amuni mu Bebrina, they are being bought into it, and a lot of them are servants in the kingdom, not princes or princesses. They are servants. You recruit, you become a servant. It is all remaining a servant. Your destiny is bought. We be enye. You say Drew ane dada or say bra 1 month time obe bibi ama obe enye years. He say Drew na kwatchire ne bo. Kwatchire ne mama no de akokoto dem. Wasa ka tron so say uja to aboboda. Me say abomoden form a covenant between your spirit and the deity. Ampanso free ne nche no free ne ye so betimi ama abodam enti mabedum pempen so anyankopon adum enti etimi free saati bi ani man. God has given us power to tread upon all the scorpions and upon snakes, and they will do us no harm.
Ufri mono erade frɛ wa ufri mo challenges be na face here.
Also for a lot, I went through a lot. As a matter of fact, me ankasa kora no me maso me friend ankasa na no odene. I was not preached to. As a matter of fact, a drura any day can catch them and say me. There is nothing about a duru bit my ejuma me agent say yankopon ejuma. Last me cancer story or say so omo muni mafia da in Bavota region ho no me yekokoji ayere duru. Nti me wura ho na papa yi say there be agent so the share for me dua me wo form ho no be 3 days. Nti nwumre mu no de me share form. Nti me gusu share form ho a me tipe na tete ho. Me gusu share form ho a de anche no pe mo.
Body ni nyina share form ho.
Yeah, me body ni nya. Dua me te say funu. Nti utipe wanim say pe na wa bontene because of enti me share form one oba do be to me free form or say me mpie mra me dey me say na say o say be call 3 days inti and you see say bronsam e frɛ wa the backing is strong, energy no dey ma una no edin energy no dey frɛ no ano odin
usuro hwe
yeah at that level ne ade na say me free sa ne o manimu a over be 10 years or more no. When I sit down to resonate on those things, I don't really know what at all will push me to do those things. Inti abra na me share form obi to me free form no ka kire me say obeso hu me wanim ho nti ekwa abontin na o ka kire me say
ahwefo wan ka se wo hu say o ka say ye okotsom enye sompa nti mo obi biara fa ne hu nkorem o hu say ade aye mbebunu no omo rahye omo hu no dom ba korem a eya na ye ne siro tu omo fo ye ma me fo no so se osere mo ada ya mo bom pan ye fa mo ba no se na be ye mo ntumo mfo omo fo mo hu nkonkora saati bia we mu bi. Guys, social media handles in Attention TV. So be like, share, and comment. Our videos in so subscribe to our YouTube channel. I don't maybe know on boss. So send a baby right but ona ya kanea unsa ebeka medinde ohema echa